kasing ganda ng lola. Kumusta? Sana matupad mo lahat ang iyong mga pangarap ngayon. Makapag-anak buhay ka dyan ng maayos. At syempre, huwag mong pababayaan ang sarili mo. Magpapaganda ka rin. O, eto yung picture mo, oh. Si Dalaga. Dalagang maganda. Happy birthday, Bong. Alam ko na natupad mo na ang ibang mong mga pangarap na sana lahat matupad mo sa iyong birthday. Wala na akong masasabi kundi happy birthday na maba pa ang inyong mga buhay, pati ako. Wala na. Dahil palagi kang maging masaya. Yung si Pangit, inanap ka na. Happy birthday daw, kani Pangit sa'yo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bong and Trina.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bong and Trina. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Bongbong!
Happy birthday sa aking kumpare at sa aking inaanak. Pare, wish ko lang good health and masundan na si Trina. Kay Trina, wish ko be humble and stay pretty. Happy birthday! Ingat kayo dyan. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Trina!
And Paring Bong, happy birthday. More birthdays to celebrate.
And God
And
bless.
God bless. Good health.
Ingat lagi. Bye.
Hello, good evening. What's up nga pala kay Paring Bong at saka sa kanyang anak na si Trina. Nagdiriwa ng birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo, pre, at sa iyong anak. Wish ko sa inyo sana marami pang birthday mong dumating. And yun lang. God bless. Ingat palagi.
Hey, hello! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to my drinking buddy! Lagi ako lasing. Happy birthday also to Trina. Good luck!
Ako naman. Happy birthday, Bong. Lagi kayo mag-ingat dyan. And also happy birthday to Trina. Good luck sa work mo and lagi din mag-iingat. God bless. We love you. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bong and Trina. May you have many more birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, Bong Bong. Happy birthday, Trina. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bong. Happy birthday, Sir and Trina.
Happy birthday, Sir Bongbong and Katrina! Happy birthday, Daddy mo and Katrina! Happy birthday, Trina! Happy birthday to you!
Hello, Bong, Trina. Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. God bless. Love you, boss.
Happy birthday, Bong and Trina.
Ayaw, happy birthday! Trina, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Brad. Trin, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Trin! Kuya Bong!
Ingat.
God bless!
Happy birthday, Daddy Bongbong. Happy Trina. God bless. Padala ko ng gift ko sa inyo. Kaya lang sa panaginip. Ba? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninong Bong at Ate Trin! Happy birthday, Kuya! Happy birthday, Trin! God bless you more! God bless you! I'm Mateo!
Ay, Bongbong, birthday mo daw! Happy birthday sa iyong pare ko. Alagaan mo yung asawa mo. Yan number 1.
parang si Mayed yung may birthday, kaya pinapaalagaan ko sa'yo. Pero madaling salita, alagaan mo pamilya mo. Alagaan mo si Mayed. Birthday mo, sana ma-settle kayo dito sa Pilipinas. Pagigihin niyo muna dyan kung ilang taon, makabili ka ng pangarap mong bahay. At mag-rides tayo, yun ang importante. Tapos, maligayang karawan sa iyo. More birthday to come. I love you, pare ko. Trina, sa ito, birthday mo rin daw. So, happy birthday sa iyo. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo, lalo na yung mga magulang mo. Kita mo naman ang hirap ng mga mamit daddy mo. So, kaya alagaan mo silang mabuti, lalo na yung mami mo. So, huwag mong pasasakitin ang ulo ng mami mo kasi pag uminit ang ulo ng mami mo, tataas ang presyon niyan. Kaya, dapat alagaan mo at magbait ka. Happy birthday sa'yo. Good luck sa iyong journey.
Hi guys! Greetings here from the Philippines!
Hello Brad! Happy birthday! And Trina! Kumusta? Tumatanda na tayo. Bagay, matanda ka ng 5 taon sa akin. Nebiro lang.
Happy birthday!
Tito Bongbong!
And Ate Trina! Hi Trina! Daddy Bong! Happy birthday! Wish you a good health every day. Thank you so much for being so kind. And welcome to Dubai, Trina. You will be here forever. Love you!
Hi! Happy birthday! Na-surprise ka! Pagod na naman tayo. Yung katawan lupa natin, anak, pakabait ka.
Hello Bong! Trina! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Hi Bong!
Happy birthday!
Trina! Happy birthday! Happy birthday din! Miss Daka!
I'm enjoying you now.
Tagalog na lang. Yun nga, nakakamiss na siya Dubai, lalo na kayo, namimiss na namin kayo. We're family to you, may family sa amin. And hopefully, magkita-kita uli in time. Kahit na magkakalayo tayo, we're still family. Another day na naman birthday mo, na wala ako, wala kami. Pero happy birthday pa din kahit wala kami. Shot na yung ano yung paborito natin yun? Dinagawa, ulit nung nilaya yung dati, dinagawa dati. Yun lang. Wish you good health. And Katrina, happy birthday din.
Stay sweet.
Stay sweet and stay sweet to your parents. Lagi mong mahalin ng magulang mo. Yun ang number 1 sa lahat, ha? Marunong tumanaw na
Mag-pray.
lagi mag-pray. Kasama namin kayo lagi sa prayer. And we miss you.
Miss namin kayo. Sobra.
I hope to see you soon. Natawan eh. Okay, uli, mami. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
Bongbong and
Bongbong
Trina.
and Trina.
Mayet, miss you all.
Hi! Happy birthday, Kat. Happy birthday, Tito. Wish you all the best in life. Stay healthy to the both of you. God bless. And whatever comes your way, kaya niyo yan. Thank you, Kat, for being such an amazing friend all these years. Grabe, kailan tayo nagkahalala? Today's 5. Ngayon, working na tayo. We've been through a lot of ups and downs, but I'm very glad that you're my friend. And I'm very thankful to God for that. And to Tito, thank you for having Kat. Stay healthy and many more birthdays to come. Bye. Love you. Happy birthday, Daddy Bongbong. I miss you. Happy birthday, Titina. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Ate Trina. Sana palagi kang happy dyan and always stay healthy. Uwi ka na, miss na kita. Manood na tayo, magpuyat na tayo. Manood na tayong Conjuring. Okay, bye. Thanks sa mga pasalubong always. Love you. Happy birthday, Daddy Bong. Ingat ka po always for more birthdays. Stay healthy. Love you.
Happy birthday, ate! I miss you. Good luck sa job hunting mo. Enjoy your day. God bless. I love you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Daddy Bong! I wish you long life and good health po. God bless. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday, Trina and Tito Bong. Ingat po. Hi, Ate Trina and Tito Bong. Happy birthday po and we wish you all the best. We miss you po and we love you, Mama!
Happy birthday, Katrina May! I just want to say that you are such a blessing. Not just to your parents, but also to the YFC. Especially sa Bubuyog family. The presence and joy that you've given the community is truly one of a kind. And personally, I couldn't have asked for a better partner sa service than you. Salamat na rin sa pagsasalaw. Minsan. I'm sad na I can't celebrate with you physically right now. But know na I'll be there by heart and by spirit. May you enjoy this wonderful and blessed day. And syempre, para din kay Tito Bong. Advance happy birthday po sa inyo. Thank you so much po for being such a wonderful dad to Kat. You raised a wonderful young lady. Here's to praying that not just me, but also my fellow YFCs be able to meet you po someday face to face. You guys deserve all the blessings you have and more. Again, happy birthday to you both, and may God bless you with more birthdays to come. God bless you po. God bless sa inyo. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kat. Thank you so much for all of the love and support that you've given to the YFC, and for just the friendship that we were able to develop. Like, I am really happy that we were able to build a holy friendship that's more than just the YFC. Thank you so much for also still checking up on us from time to time, and for continue to support us from where you are. I just also wanted to say happy birthday to Tito Bong. Thank you so much for being such a loving and caring father to Kat. We really do appreciate all of the efforts that you put, all of the sacrifices that you put into supporting her, and for raising her just to be such a wonderful person. Thank you so much. I'm really wishing both of you the best. I really hope that one day we can celebrate more birthdays together. Thank you so much, and God bless. Stay safe.
Happy birthday, Kath! Thank you so much sa lahat ng memories natin, and talagang naging blessing ka talaga sa amin, not only to me but also to the Campus Days family and to the YFC as a whole. Maraming salamat for being such a good sister, and sana mag-enjoy ka today. Sana ma-enjoy mo rin yung family time nyo together with your loved ones there. Mag-iingat palagi at lagi ka namin kasama sa prayers. Miss na miss ka na namin, KitKat. Love you! Hi Tito! Happy birthday! Maraming salamat po sa pag-aalaga kay Kat and sa family nyo. Thank you for your hard work, Tito. We really appreciate you po. Kahit hindi pa po namin kayo nakakasama, hoping po na once na nag-visit kayo dito sa Philippines is makabanding rin po namin kayo. Again, Tito, maraming salamat po and happy birthday. God bless you.
Hello, Kat. Happy birthday. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing fine right now. Sana masaya ka dyan sa buhay mo abroad with your family. And of course, sa love life mo. Because you deserve all the very best. Because you're such a talented, you're such a bright kid. You know? Anyway, I just want to tell you na even though you're living abroad right now, please remember na you'll always have a family here in the Philippines through us. Of course, take care of yourself out there. Always remember, I'm one message away, okay? Happy birthday! Bye! Miss you.
Hi Kat! Happy birthday to you. I just want to thank the Lord for allowing me to join YFC, because without YFC, I wouldn't have met a kind and loving person like you. I honor your commitment to service, and I will forever treasure the friendship we built inside the community. I'm so proud of everything that you have accomplished, and I can't wait for you to accomplish more. Take care always, and I can't wait to see you soon. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tita Bong. May God's love shine upon you today and always. Fill your life with peace, good health, and happiness as you celebrate another year of His faithfulness in your life. May God continue to use you as a source of light and inspiration to others, and may His favor be upon you always. Wishing you many more years of His grace and goodness. Happy birthday, Tito!
Hello po. As of the moment, I'm still editing the video as I see my message. So here goes. Happy birthday kay Trina and Tito. Both of your existence have always been a blessing to the family, loved ones, and friends. To Tito, thank you for taking care of your family, for raising Trina together with Tita to become a wonderful woman as she is right now. Wish ko po sa inyo is laging ingatan ng health, to live a long, good life, always take it easy and relax after stressful work. Most importantly is to never waver your love and care for your family. Alam mo na po yan. As for you, Trina, you have always been a blessing, spreading joy and laughter to anyone around you, except the bashers. Joke. Anyways, thank you for giving me so much love, for supporting my goals, for inspiring me to do better, and your everyday presence that keeps me going, and that is something that I will never take for granted. Ang wish ko sa iyo is to explore more about the world as you work towards your goals. Especially, experience is gonna be the best teacher for you. Dito naman ako palagi to support you and saluhin man yung paghihirap mo. Alam mo na yan, we've always been a team. Aggie, I'm really excited to see what's to come for you. Thank you and happy birthday again. Pagpalain kayo ng Diyos and ingat ka palagi. I miss you. I love you.
Happy birthday! Maganda ka! Ay, hindi pa ka. Daddy Bong! Trina!
Happy birthday, Daddy Bongbong.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, President Bongbong. Happy birthday, Trin and Bongbong.
Happy birthday, Daddy Bongbong.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Daddy Bong and Tina.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday.
From Germany and Rome, but in the end I know we'll find a